Okay, so now we're going to assemble the Backwoods Campstove. It's very straightforward. First step is to do the legs, 3 of them. You just remove the cotter pin from the locked position, locked closed position, swing the leg and insert the cotter pin. Very straightforward. Now the stovepipes are kept inside the cooker when you transport them. I've taken 2 out, but I just all 4 fit in. The next step is to put the the burner grill into the stove. Keep the main heat off the bottom of the camp stove when the tip is burning. Okay, a couple of lugs at the back that need to be located. Right, now we're going to put the stovepipe on. It's very straightforward. Slots over the chimney. One piece, second piece, then the third piece. It's ideal to use the pipe with the damper in. This will control the burn rate. Finally, the last piece. Basically, if you use all 4 pieces of chimney, the stove will burn faster. Although it's not necessary to use all 4 pieces, it'll still burn pretty well, just 2 or 3. And the rain deflector at the top. Okay, now next and finally, we're going to attach the extra widening plate, which just fits 2 lugs. To locate it. So, and it's done. So that's less than 3 minutes. Completed stove.